This video is to show the shading and lighting commands in OpenGL. In this directory, pull U class CS621 demo1, we have the program jaw free cpp that shows the effect of shading. Now we can turn on the GL fed shading mode. In this case, there's no interpolation. Now you can see that the first triangle is drawn using this mode, GL fed. We draw a triangle with red, green, blue at the corners, and you will see that actually the whole triangle would be colored with blue, right? Because we have used the fed mode. Now on the other hand, if we use GL smooth, okay, then the colors inside the triangle will be interpolated. Now we draw the same triangle, except that now we draw that on the upper right hand corner, okay, with the same colors. Let's see what will we see. So we can compile this program and then execute that. So you can see that indeed, so this triangle, the blue one, is the one drawn with GL fed, and this is the one with GL smooth. You can see that at the corners, red, green, blue are the colors that we have used, and near here is more red, and this is more green, and here is blue. So the colors are in between are interpolated. Now in another directory, which is in the directory light, there's a program called light.cpp. This shows you the OpenGL commands for lighting. As we discussed in class, OpenGL supports the Phong model, so we use the arrays to define the material properties, say the matte specular for the specular properties. So this is red, green, blue, so that means the specular is red, and the ambient is, we have the red, green, blue component all the same. Yeah. And the diffuse is also only red. Remember that the red component of a light interacts with red material, and the green component interacts with green light only, and so on. Okay. So the shininess, the strength of the light is 300, and the light position is at 111, so the upper right corner, and the fourth component is 0, that means it's directional light, and this is the light intensity. So it's red, green, blue, that means white light as all these components. And we have another light source which is green only, has only green component. And it is at this position, -1, -1, -1, again directional, and lower left hand corner. So we define these two light 0, using the light position at the upper right hand corner, and use the light, the white light. The other light 1, we use the light 1. It is the green light only, and this is light 1. So now we draw two spheres. So the first one, we only use light 0. Okay, we disable light 1. And then the other sphere, we draw it with both light 1 and light 0. So that means the second one on the left, okay, we translate to the left, it will be green, and the first one will be mostly white at gray because we use the ambient 0.x, 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 but with some specular component of red and some diffuse component red. So now let's execute that and see how it looks. So it is in this directory. So again, we make print again and execute. So indeed, you can see that so the second one is green, and the first one is gray with some red component. It's a little bit difficult to see, but the red component is there. It's the diffuse and specular. So you can very